Hey there, I'm Christian, and today we're talking about grounding. Grounding is a coping strategy that helps us to connect to the here and now and get us in touch with our bodies and surroundings. Grounding is great for during your practice time, when you first wake up, or while encountering something stressful in your life. There are techniques geared toward both physical and mental grounding, and we'll talk about both types throughout this series. So often we approach voice practice, both singing and speaking, with tension, the stress of the day, or frustration about the process. All of these feelings are valid and can be alleviated by simple grounding exercises to interrupt negative feelings and bring us back to the present with a clear mind and being more in touch with ourselves. Today's exercises are breathing exercises. We're going to try to become aware of the feelings surrounding our breathing. I'll describe the steps first, and then please join me for these exercises. First, find someplace comfy to sit. This can be a chair at work, your living room floor, or a park bench. Then once you're seated, take in a long breath like you're breathing through a straw, like this. The lips should be closed in a tiny circle, but not too tightly. As you inhale, feel the cool air hit the roof of your mouth and back of your throat. Your stomach should feel like a balloon filling with air. Next, hold the breath for a couple of seconds, and then exhale, making a steady, loud hissing sound like this. Blow all the air out. Feel the rush of air on your lips. One important tip is to try to keep your posture tall and neutral throughout the inhale and exhale. Try not to collapse the upper body on the exhale. The chin should be parallel to the floor or tilted downward. Why don't you go ahead and try this with me? We'll do 3 rounds of breathing, inhaling through a straw for about 5 seconds, holding the breath for about 3 seconds, and then exhaling for about 8 seconds on that hissing sound. Here we go. Last one. The second breathing exercise we'll try today is where we hold one nostril closed while breathing in through the opposite nostril. Then we'll hold the open nostril closed and breathe out through the other, like this. We'll do 3 rounds of this exercise. Now let's try it together. Here we go. And inhale. And inhale last time. I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for notifications for more videos like these. I'll see y'all in the next video.